Yo, so what's up guys, it's PJ, another video. Today, it is about to rain. I know it's not going to rain today, but I don't think it's raining. I don't think it's supposed to rain today. Like I see all this cloud up here. Look at that. It's all good over here. It's not all good over here, but look, those dark clouds. But it don't look dark on the camera, but it's like really dark. So, yeah. So, I'm not going to go beside chickens because they won't hush. You know what, I'm going to go by them. Who cares if y'all hear them? I care, so I'm just saying that. But I got to show you my RC car. So, I got two wheels on that trailer now. Trampoline. I made that ramp, so, yay. But I didn't make it, but I put things on it. I'm just going to go sit on the trampoline because, you know, when no one else is on it, you can do whatever you want on it. So, that's what I'm doing. Sorry for the noise. You know, see anything through there? There's ground. I guess I could. Well, if you have not already, drop a like down below and subscribe. Hope so you can fall. You just drop a like down below and subscribe. My hat fell off. Hopefully it don't rain on me while I'm talking to y'all. But yeah. I guess no one I guess at least it's a half day for me tomorrow and no school Friday. That's for me, I'm just saying, for me. It'd be cool for us, for everyone, but you know it's not. So, yeah, and I'm going to probably post a little bit earlier because I don't have nothing to do because I don't have no school. So, well, I have school, but I'll get out at 10:45. Can you beat that? In elementary school, I used to get out at 11:45, I think. Yeah, somewhere around there. But now I get out at 10. I was like, I'm dead. I'm dead. I don't know what I'm going to do. Because no one else gets out. And people be working. So I don't know what I'm going to do. It's just like a regular day like today. I wish Fridays, I wish Thursdays or half days, you don't even have to go to school because it's just a half a day. What are you going to do in a half a day, like a half a shirt? Ha, got y'all laughing. Well, yeah, so, what do I do? Hey, look at me. So, well, I'm talking about myself because, you know, there's no one else here, so. Well, let's get up. Let's jump with y'all for a few minutes. If you could come to this camera, go ahead and do that. You ready? We're about to jump. I'm going to go ahead and show the ground. Oh, gosh. Are we zoomed in or zoomed out? Okay, that didn't make it zoom in. Whoa! Oh god! Butt fell off. Woo! Okay. Alright, if you haven't already, drop a like down below, subscribe and like, so strike, like, strike. Okay. Well, that is it for this video. Not too long, too short, but you know, it's PJ, another video. It's every day, guys.